some of the world's strangest tourist attractions. Number 1. Bubblegum Alley, California. Situated in 21-meter long passageway in San Luis Obispo, Bubblegum Alley is a wall full of used bubblegums. Number 2. Island of Dolls, Mexico. Dedicated to a lost soul of young girl, Isla de las Muñecas has hundreds of decaying mutilated dolls and their severed limbs and decapitated heads hanging from the trees. 3. Momofuku Ando Instant Ramen Museum, Japan. Opened in 1999, it is an interactive food education museum where visitors may do things such as making ramen. The museum introduces stories ranging from the invention of instant ramen to the history of the development that followed. Number 4. Inverary Jail, Scotland. Visitors can step back in the time of 19th century prison and experience what life was like for inmates who were tied and locked up here. Number 5. Karni Mata Temple, Rajasthan, India. While rats are seen as unwanted guests here, they are worshipped and given shelter in tribute to goddess Karni Mata in here. It is believed that over 20,000 rats inhabit this famed temple. Number 6. The Catacomb, Paris, France. The catacombs are a network of old quarry tunnels beneath Paris and resting place of around 6 million Parisians. Mostly anonymous, the skulls and bones were taken from the city's overcrowded graveyards during the 18th and 19th centuries. 7. Avanos Hair Museum, Turkey. The unique museum created by Turkish potter Cez Galip. It is located under his pottery shop. The walls, ceilings and other surfaces except the floor are covered with locks of hair from over 16,000 women. Number 8. Dead Valley, Namibia. Dead Valley or dead marsh is essentially a forest frozen in time. The absence of water and the intense heat has scorched all the vegetation in this valley, leaving behind black skeleton-like trees that cannot decompose because the land is too dry. Number 9. The Paper House, Massachusetts, USA. Yes, it is a fact, a house made entirely out of paper, including the furniture inside. Located north of Boston, this house was made by Ellis F. Steinman in the 1920s to serve as two-room summer home for him and his family. It took him over 20 years and thousands of paper to complete, surely a sight worth seeing. Just make sure to keep all things flammable far, far away. Number 10. Toilet Theme Park, Suwon, South Korea. In Suwon, South Korea, tourists can visit a theme park built around the history and cultures of toilet. This place was built in the memory of city's former mayor, a man who sparkled the toilet revolution of sorts, dedicating a lot of time and resources to improve Suwon's public toilet. The park has started to attract a lot of toilet themed art and even hosts the locally renowned Golden Poop Festival. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your opinion about these 10 facts below and let us know what you like to watch in the next video. Till then, a bye from Brain to Vein Facts.